If you saw our previous videos, then you know what's the most important thing in real estate. Location, location, and location. And here we are today with the sales manager,
Hi,
Zeki.
dear Victoria.
Hi. He is
Nice
from
to see
Omag
you.
Developments. Nice to see you too as well, Zeki. He will explain us a little bit more today about the new project which they are planning to build here in the location of Taplisu, right, Zeki?
Exactly. We have a new region actually for, we are in the Taplisu region. Especially here, we have 468 units, two parts of the project. One of them is on the seaside, another one is on the mountain side. So today we will generally give you the brief of the new VIP project actually.
Amazing. Yes, we have it in VIP sales, guys. So that means what?
Actually, for what is the means of the VIP sales? Mostly we are the following for the three stage of the sales period. The first stage, always we are from the ground, sharing our projects details with our VIP partners, companies, and one of you. And especially in this time, we are just giving for the ground prices and we are starting for the beginner of the sales prices. Then after we are closing the VIP sales between 5 to 10%, we are increasing to the prices. Then we are the pre-launching to the project. And the pre-launch time also, we are the following the couple of days as well. Then after we are closing and the launching to the project actually. From each stage, minimum 5 to 10%, we are increasing to the prices.
So the investors, if they step in today, they are at the lowest of the lowest prices, right?
Exactly. From the ground price, we started from the VIP time.
Zeki, let's talk a little bit more about the location, because here behind us, we can see there's a completely new bicycle road, right?
Exactly.
Can you maybe explain what the government is doing with this area?
Especially this region is more and more naturally for the developing actually, and especially the government already has completed for the 10 kilometer of the bicycle road. And this road is giving to the region the more facilities actually, and especially we are close by to that's point actually.
Yeah.
So that's the reason it is not only for our facilities, especially for the region facilities, is giving the more advantages of the region. And this is actually, it is getting to more interest from our buyers actually.
Yeah, so nice bicycle path going from Karpas area up to the Santape, right?
That's right.
We are immediately at the seaside, and now let's discuss a little bit more about the project. So it's very nice location, but
thank you.
Apart from that one, apart from the location, what else can we find? Because what I love about your project is the facilities.
I think it's better we can just shortly we can explain about the concept of the project actually.
Yes.
The project has located in the two parts, on the seaside and the mountain side. Especially the seaside, the Taplisu region has mostly for the sandy beaches, and
yes.
It's very fresh beach are located in here. And that's the reason we just choose for that's location, that's plot, and we are the developing, we are the investing actually. And from the project, we have nearby to the beach for the private beach club. It's located in the project. And between to the seaside and the mountain side, we have under the road the tunnels just for the walking distance.
Oh, okay.
Especially for the mountain side, our block of apartment is located with natural elevation. And all the block of apartment is directly facing to the seaside. Even from the ground apartment, we have fully sea view because we have really nice elevation difference between the blocks. And middle of for the block of apartment, we have communal terraces, communal pool, the pool bars, and it is change room, shower, bathrooms are located nearby to the facilities. And actually, from the project, we have many facilities as well, which is we have one of the biggest restaurants in this region. We are the opening here, and amazing view actually. It is a panoramic view. And also for the, we have the one of the biggest sport complex. We are the opening here, and especially, you know, for our region of for the sport complex. Actually, we have already for our brand Nest Club, and we are the bringing our brand to the here, and we are the opening for the high quality standard of the sport complex actually in the here as well. And with the saunas, spa center, everything will be the one fully concept actually in the project. And what else? Actually, we have kids playing ground, and we have open sport complex as well, because especially in the project we have huge green areas, and these green areas we are just for the making the more and more facilities, it's more useful areas. And that's the point. We have open sport complex, let's say such a kind of the paddle tennis court, such a kind of the facilities. Plus we have for the open mini golf areas as well. And this is our making actually, especially in the project. It is for the holiday concept and also for the life concept. It's for city life concept. Because how we are the designing for the city life concept. Especially in the project, we are the analyzed already for the region, what is the needed. Exactly we see for the infrastructure for the commercial units. And that's the point. In our complex, approximately we have 10 different sizes of the commercial units, shops are located, and we have expected list. Let's say one of the bank, one of the supermarket, one of the pharmacy, bakery, the different technology market, furniture market. It's different kind of for the facilities will be in the concept. That's the point. This is not only for the holiday concept. This is at the same time is for the city life concept, because always when we are designing by the project, first of all, we are looking for the region naturality, and at the same time we are looking actually for our partners' feedback, all the buyers' feedback. Then after that we are designing. And one more thing I want to be mentioned about it, especially for our sizes is always, it is not the standard market sizes. Exactly, square meter. Especially the studio, corner one bedroom loft penthouses, 2-bedroom corner loft penthouses. All penthouses has a roof terraces. Each roof terraces we have private areas, and the barbecue, mini kitchen are including to the prices. This is actually something different product is giving to the market. And that's why right now we are getting as a good feedback from everyone.
Absolutely, because look, this is not just a project for tourists, this is actually really for permanent living. The city within a city, all the facilities which you need, plus your internal area inside the apartment is actually really...
And the quality.
Yes, and of course the quality, yes.
Especially for the quality point. Omag Group, it is till this time we have totally 22 projects. Almost 12 projects is already completed, and especially in 2024 to 2027, we have 10 projects within 10 different locations. Especially when you check for the previous completed project and right now the under construction project, for all our buyers is immediately understanding what we are speaking about the quality actually. Because always we are following the high quality product and high quality of the construction actually. And this is making something different into the market actually. What this has.
Absolutely. Zeki, now we walked a long distance and we sweated a lot because it's very hot here.
Exactly, it is.
We are now here at the location of, maybe you can explain?
We are in the seaside, of course, right now. As I mentioned, actually we have the two parts, especially for the seaside. We have just walking access to the beach, and also from the corner actually we have the beach club. And right now from this level we cannot see. Mainly for the highway is located between for the mountainside and the seaside. We have under the road for the tunnels, and it will be for the walking access to the beach, and the facilities will be on the seaside, and for the properties, apartments will be on the mountainside in the silent areas. So it's making actually for something different actually.
Exactly. I think this is one one-of-a-kind project. So Zeki, thank you so much
Thank
for
you
your
for
time.
you.
Thank you to
Appreciate
walk
it. We are
with
the
me through the sun.
exactly.
It was a pleasure to meet you.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Zeki. Guys, so if you are looking for capital gain, passive income from rental, and one of the best locations on the island, then this is your project. Contact us, send us a DM, leave a comment down below, and we will provide you for more information.